Hello everyone, I'm Erica, your mentor for the Jodoo beginner course, and I'm thrilled to have you all here with us today. In this course, we are going to embark on an exciting journey into the world of Jodoo, a powerful no-code platform that has completely transformed the way I work and create apps. With Jodoo, tasks that used to take days can now be accomplished in a matter of hours, and I can't wait to show you how it can do the same for you. Over the next few sessions, we will explore Jodoo's key features, dive into real-world use cases for no-code development and business management, and discover the latest training resources at your disposal. Together, we will unlock a world of growth, inspiration, and business transformation. Before we start, let me briefly introduce Jodoo to you. It is an all-in-one no-code app development platform. So what exactly can Jodoo do for you? Take it as a replacement for the office suites, an all-in-one convenient package of the customer, employee, and resource management systems. Think about it for a moment. We often find ourselves drowning in a sea of apps and systems, each requiring its own time, money, and effort to maintain. From attendance management to presentations, from record keeping to device management, we are constantly juggling between multiple tools. Jodoo has changed the game by consolidating all these functions into a single customizable platform designed to meet all your unique needs. Yes, you didn't mishear anything. Such a comprehensive system is totally customizable. You can make it dedicated systems designed just for you. We've got even better news for you. Jodoo is code-free. No coding skills are required when customizing apps and systems on Jodoo. You can simply drag and drop elements to create, manage, and maintain everything effortlessly. Let's take a sneak peek at a practical example, the equipment management system we built on Jodoo. With this system, we can easily keep track of equipment usage, maintenance, transfers, and even damages throughout their entire life cycle. We've designed intuitive forms to gather essential information for equipment management, such as equipment details, project data, and company information. And here is the magic. These forms are more than just the data entry tools. They can also serve as dynamic summary reports for your equipment management system. You can easily query equipment records in various ways, all while Jodoo automatically keep everything up to date. Let's see how it actually works. Let's explore the equipment sign-in and sign-out process. We've streamlined these into two dedicated forms. When you sign in the equipment, select the related project and the equipment to sign in. Jodoo will automatically pull up relevant project and equipment details from the database. And all you need to do is to update the specifics, like the current person responsible for the equipment or the current department responsible for the equipment. We can change it to any member or department in your context. Once you submit the form, the manager will receive a notification for the task in the Workflow Center. As I have set myself as the manager, so I have received a task notification. The task manager, I, can review the details and approve the request. Now, if I go to check the database, I will find out that the equipment details, status, including the responsible person and department, have been automatically updated. And how about the sign-out process? It's just as simple. Let's go to the sign out form. Then I can select the equipment to sign out. and the information we put in during the sign-in process will be automatically retrieved for the sign-out process. Again, when the request is submitted, the manager will receive a notification. And after I approve the request, the equipment status and details will be updated accordingly. Similarly, we have other forms to track other processes in the equipment management system. In the equipment management folder, we have prepared forms for equipment inspection, maintenance, transfer, and damage tracking. Each requires only minimal input as Jodoo takes care of the rest. For example, in the inspection form, we can select the equipment inspect. Jodoo will automatically fill up the equipment and project details. We only need to update the details of the inspection records manually. Still, remember what I mentioned about the best part? Jodoo apps are customizable. Let's say we want to add some comments for the service records so that the manager can perhaps leave some notes or remarks when adding a record. Simply click the Edit button, then drag and drop to add a field. Name it as comment and save it. Now it's done, quick and easy. In addition to these forms, we have incorporated dashboards for data analysis. We have charts created that provide insights into equipment details from various angles. This app, the Equipment Management System, is just one of many demo apps we've created. Based on the market research, we have curated templates for common scenarios in the Template Center. We have prepared sample data to help you better understand how these apps work. You can install the app with the sample data to try out. Plus, if you have any questions about the existing templates or have any ideas for a new template, don't hesitate to reach out to us. The main goal of this course is to empower you to build apps like these in minutes. Over the next 12 sessions, we will cover the user interface, key features, and live app demos. And don't worry, the entire course will only take around 2 hours to complete. In our next video, we will outline the course in detail. Until then, happy learning, and I can't wait to see you take your first steps towards mastering Jodoo.